Dinosaurs just as chickens.
57 minutes earlier.
Park rangers, check it out. It's happening.
I did not expect that.
Looks like it's been in there for a while.
Smells like it's been in there for a while. There's some sort of device inside that cracked open the egg. That's pretty cool tech.
Let's check it out. It's a map of T-Rex Ranch, just with eggs in all these random places.
Is there writing on the top?
Follow the clues every week to find what you seek. And Busy Specs will reveal all the eggs I've concealed. This isn't just a map.
It's a treasure map! Well, these must be the Invisispecs.
Maybe there are hidden eggs all around us. We just can't see them. Let's go find some treasure.
Not so fast, park rangers. We don't know who or what left this egg behind. And we got a T-Rex on the wrong side of the electric fence, so we gotta be extra cautious. Park Ranger Maisie and Bella, you two take the Dino 1 and see what you can find.
You don't have to ask us twice.
Park Ranger Asher and Max, you're with me. We're gonna go into the Dino Master's closet and see if we can find us a T-Rex tamer.
Guys, I've told you. Just look at the other person's elbow, you'll never miss. Let's go kick up some dust.
Let's go shopping. We are currently surrounded by awesome and unpredictable blasters, zappers, pokers, prodders, and even a couple of horkers. Should you be up for the challenge of mastering one of these gadgets, you will receive the Park Ranger Achievement Badge of Gadget Guru. Asher, you get to pick today.
Oh, yes! The Dino Freeze Ray. Sounds cool.
Let's take it for a test drive.
The map says there's an egg hidden somewhere in Dimetrodon Village.
Don't worry, Mama. We're not here for your eggs.
I don't think.
Hold on, Park Ranger. You are gonna need these.
Busy Specs. Good call.
What you see?
Just a lot of bright colors. Now I know what it's like to be a crayon. Oh.
Whoa. Oh no!
Wait. It's a clue. Your seeking doesn't scare us. See what's hiding in Pteranodon Terrace.
Guess where we're headed?
I call that a successful test. All right, now hold it carefully with 2 hands and with careful aim. Then you...
Amazing!
Never mind. I'm just the adult with years of experience.
What a try! Yeah. Let me go set up the cans.
All right.
I guess I don't earn my Gadget Guru badge today.
You must be brave, or be a good actor, if you seek treasure on the trail of the raptor. Raptor trails!
He seems to be alive.
Well, that's a good thing. Max, can you hear us? Was that a uh-huh or uh-uh?
I couldn't tell.
Yeah, me neither. This thing doesn't appear to have any other settings besides on and off. Looks like we'll have to go with plan B.
We can't understand you.
Getting real spooky vibes here. Are you sure we're going the right way?
Nature doesn't do spooky. It's just nature. Just watch our backs and make sure we don't have any unwanted dino visitors.
Copy that, Park Ranger. Bella, come on. We gotta go.
Don't you think he would have attacked us by now?
Maybe. Probably.
He seems to be in a loop or something. Like he's not real. Brave, be an actor.
What are you doing?
Acting brave.
Okay. What just happened?
I think someone created a hologram of a raptor to scare people off. Holy Treasuresaurus! We've got big news.
We do too. We accidentally froze Max. I accidentally froze Max.
Is he okay?
He's fine.
What just happened? The last thing I remember, I was picking up a soda can.
The Dino unfreeze ray. Come on, Park Rangers, did you even look? You're up, Bella.
And now for the really big news. We found a hidden egg in Dimetrodon Village, which had a clue inside that led us to Pteranodon Terrace. That finally brought us to the raptor trails, where we found these.
How many of these hidden egg locations did you visit?
Just 3.
So you're saying there's an entire park out there full of hidden eggs?
With who knows what inside.
Could be a baby dino, could be confetti.
Ugh, terrible.
But we have no idea who hid them.
What? It's my new ringtone. Too soon.
I think I liked you better frozen.
Come on, Park Rangers. Let's put these eggs in the Dino Egg Incubator and see what surprises await us.